of the, the Freedom Charter says the people shall govern. So this issue about the capacity of the people to choose their own their own government, to participate in the process of determining policy, has been very central for many, many decades in our lives. And therefore, when you come to exercise that vote, it's in a sense, it's a celebration of the struggle. It's a celebration of that victory. Because, as I said, the matter about is one person, one vote, the capacity of the people to govern was such an essential part of the purposes of the struggle. And therefore, to come to vote is really to salute a victory.
Former President, you have been part of mediation efforts across the continent. What do you think the continent can learn from South Africa when it comes to elections?
No, I think that there are many countries on the continent that hold elections. In the past, we've had our electoral commission has had to intervene in some countries at their request to assist. For instance, in the elections in the DRC, in the Democratic Republic of Congo, 2006, and they've done this in other countries. But I think that we also probably have got a lot to learn from other people on the continent. But I think really the example that all of us should set ourselves is to ensure that you have really genuinely free and fair elections, no intimidation, no violence, and no fraud, no ballot fixing, and stolen boxes and lost ballot papers and all that. All of us need to demonstrate this, that it is possible for us as a continent truly to respect this notion that the people shall govern, and so that, when you make sure that the process does allow the people indeed to be the ones who do the governing. Thanks a lot.
Oh, sorry. Building on that question, former President, we have had no major reports of violence. The feeling is that this election in particular, because it's so fiercely contested, is a test for South Africa's constitutional democracy. Do you share that opinion?
Well, it is hotly contested, it's true, but I think that the constitutional democracy has been tested many times already since '94. And I think we've survived that. But the question that you raise about the absence of violence, of course, very important. It's very good. By the time we finish the elections today, this situation of peace will continue to be.